Hi everyone, Warren here from South Shore Mini. Today I wanted to bring you a hands-on tutorial video and demonstrate the many ways that you can configure your rear seats and storage area in your Mini Countryman. So to begin, let me get up and we're going to take a look at how to fold the rear seats. So here in the Mini Countryman, the seats do fold three ways. Each seat can fold independently of the other. To fold any seat, we're going to simply locate the pull strap down at the bottom, pull on it, and guide the seat forward. We can do this for each seat, like I said. We can choose any configuration, and they do fold down fully flat. When we want to go ahead and raise them back up, simply lift up on the seats. Now they are going to lock into their first position, but you can then pull the strap and continue to lock them into other positions of recline all the way back to where we have them. So it allows you to choose perhaps a little more upright position for the rear seats, and it will give you extra space in your trunk. Of course, the headrests all do fold up if someone is sitting back here and would like to use that. Otherwise, pressing the button on the side of the headrest allows you to fold them down for better visibility out the rear window. Additionally, besides folding the rear seats, you can even move the entire rear seat forward, further increasing your cargo space and allowing you to configure just another way. At the bottom of the front of the seats here, there is a handle. Pull on the handle to release it, and you can actually slide the whole row forward quite a bit. The driver's side and middle seat are connected, as you can see here, and the passenger side is independent. Now the Mini Countryman does seat 3 in the rear. However, the middle seat belt is typically not visible if no one's sitting here. And that's because it's actually stored up in the ceiling. If you're going to use it, simply pull it down. You'll see 2 buckles at the end. You'll want to take the smaller metal tip, insert it into the connector down here at the bottom. By doing so, you've then created a normal seat belt that someone can use and connect, and there you go. Now you can of course leave this here if you're going to use it frequently, but if you're not, it's nice to remove it and help open up the space so that when you do fold the rear seats, it's not getting in your way. So in order to remove it, we're going to actually take the buckle of a neighboring seat. We're going to insert it into this little red tab. Not sure how well you guys can see it on the video, but there's a little red tab here at the bottom. We're going to use the metal buckle to insert and press that tab, and that will release the middle seat buckle, and it will retract and store up in the ceiling nice and clean and out of the way. Thank you all for watching this tutorial video. Hopefully it's provided you with even more insight into how you can configure and adjust the rear seats in your Mini Countryman. Stay tuned for the next video, of course, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with the latest video content. Again, my name is Warren, and I'm the product genius here at South Shore Mini. Take care.